Hi, Felicia Newman here. We're at Three Dog Farm and we are here in the raised bed section of the farm to talk about Castine Blend raised bed mix. It's approved for organic growers through OMRI, and we are going to dress out a bed right in front of you. This is one of our beds that I shamefully let go to weeds. That is not something I normally do, but I feel like just maybe there's other people out there that committed this sin. So the easy way out of this is to basically scrape the top couple inches off of the weedy soil at the top, because every time you invert soil, you're going to actually expose more weed seeds. So you can see, like, I've got weeds up here that are germinating, all this stuff here. That's some hairy vetch, which is a ground cover, a green manure. So what I've done here is I've actually just scraped the top layer off a couple inches, and this is my subsoil, and then I filled the bed back up with Castine Blend there. And it's as simple as that. And Castine as a product, so of course it's a compost-based soil, but in particular it's a fully cured compost and it's pH adjusted, so you can seed directly in that. So it wouldn't take much to level this out, and then if we wanted to reseed right back in that, we actually could. You could also actually turn this in, but the more you turn it in, remember that I screwed up and let all these weed seeds go, so they set seeds, the weeds set seeds, I guess. And if I turn that in, those weed seeds are going to get exposed on the top. So for me, with what I've done here, the best option for the least amount of labor long term is to just top this back out with Castine and plant right in it. So Castine Blend, raised bed mix, approved for organic growers. Find it at your local independent retailer.